I think I overdid that a little bit, but that'll still work. That's good. The outside's all crunchy and tastes like rosemary and salt. It's good. Got a lamb shank wrapped into some flatbread. That's not bad at all. Got a little packet of this peach flavored barbecue sauce. Well, without the yeast, this is basically just a tortilla. It's really good though. All right, time to make some dinner. I'm gonna make some bread. Got some bread flour, yeast, and sugar in this bag here. Just gonna add a little water to it, get that yeast going. All right, let that ferment a little bit.